All rise, please. Madison County Circuit Court is now in session. Honorable Judge John Putnam presiding.
Be seated, please. First case on the docket is 2013-152. Jonathan Dwyer, delivery of marijuana near certain facilities. 13-154, delivery of controlled substances, looks like marijuana, prescription drugs.
Judge, I'm going to be representing Mr. Dwyer. We enter a not guilty plea at this time and waive formal reading of the charges.
Okay.
It's my understanding that Mr. Dwyer is being held on a $75,000 bond, and we would ask the court to consider a reduction in that bond. Mr. Dwyer is a longtime resident of Baxter County. His parents are here today. He is employed. He does not have significant criminal history, if any criminal history, with the court or the district court. We would ask that his bond be reduced to something more reasonable.
Does he not have any felonies that you're aware of?
He does not.
State's agreement to a $15,000 bond.
Okay.
Just this.
Bond to be $15,000. I've entered the pleas of not guilty. Sir, reappear in this court before Judge Webb on July 25th.
Sir.
13-141, State versus Kenneth Powell, delivery of methamphetamine. 12-166, possession with intent to deliver. Paraphernalia.
Judge, Mr. Powell has previously been represented by private counsel. It looks like, according to our files, he applied and was approved last week. At this time, we are starting anew on these cases with the Public Defender's Office. We would ask that any trial dates set within the next couple of weeks. It looks like, early August. We will likely need continuances on those. The new charge, we will waive reading of the information, enter a plea of not guilty, request discovery in all three of these cases. I know you've probably provided it before, but we'll need it now.
Andrew, the other two cases are Division 4.
Oh, they are? Okay. Then we won't mess with those dates right now.
Some of these got some age on them.
I think there were some FTAs involved here.
12-171, we filed that on July 30th of 2012. Rapidly approaching that, I'm not.
Well, look at the dates, and if there's need for continuance, file a motion. We'll talk about it. 12-141. Have you reappear on August 8th. 13-105, State versus Bradley, Edmonston. Aggravated assault on a certified law enforcement officer.
Your Honor, is there a police committee?
We're here to inquire about discovery, how it's going.
Judge, I believe that this is a simple case as far as discovery goes, and we have received that pretrial set for August 8th.
I'm just gonna plead guilty. I want to see what's in store, man. You know, I am guilty. Like, I don't want to have to drag this on to jury trial. Okay. You know what I'm saying? What is there if I plead guilty today? You know what I'm saying?
So we'll call your case later then.
I'll come out and talk to you, okay?
13-149, State versus Jessica Lee, furnishing prohibited articles.
It appears the discovery is complete. There's no action taken from today's date.
Okay. If we haven't already, we'll issue a scheduling order.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay. 13-135, State versus Heather Altus, delivery of Adderall near certain facilities, 4 counts.
Judge, I'll go ahead and start. Miss Altus was here last week for arraignment. She's been unable to make the bond that was set by the court at that time. I believe by the affidavit it was $10,000.
Okay.
We would like to be heard on that today, try to get her out pending trial in this case.
Okay.
Judge, she is a local resident. She owns her home here. She's maintained stable employment through the years. I've known her for a while now. And I believe that the court can be assured that she's not a flight risk based on those factors and based on the fact that she does not have a criminal history to speak of. We'd ask that the court reduce the bond to $2,500. I believe that's more appropriate in this case.
Judge, this defendant graduated from drug court last year. I'm advised by her probation officer she's in 2 other states. She got on probation. She's actually a drug court graduate, Judge. And it appears, at least the allegations would be that in last in October, she was delivering a controlled substance. Overall, I'd rather her, I think the bond of $10,000 is a very reasonable one given this defendant's history.
Judge, I did misspeak on the criminal history. I apologize. She told me she had her record expunged after she graduated from drug court.
I don't have a drug
see.
history at all.
Except for drug court.
Yeah, but I wasn't in there for drugs. It was an exception.
Okay.
I think I'll leave the bond where it's at right now. We'll think about it.
Thank you, Judge.